Okay, this is question 10. Have a go. So for part A, this is really just simultaneous equation. We're just substituting 1 into 2. So have a look at 1 and rearrange it. So rearrange it so y becomes 1 minus 2x. Let's call this 3. Now let's go and substitute this into 2. So here's 2, x squared minus 4k, but instead of the y here, we replace it by what we've just worked out y to be, which is 1 minus x plus 5k equals 0. We've now got an equation just involving x and k's and numbers, which is what we've been asked. We can see that's what we need to do. So multiply out that bracket, gather your terms, and we end up with what we've been asked to show. Now, part B, the key thing here is the fact that we're told we have equal roots. So this is all about the discriminant. Remember, for equal roots, b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now, a is the number in front of the x squared, which is a 1. B is the coefficient of x, which is 8k. And c is the coefficient on its own, which is k. So b squared minus 4ac has got to be equal to 0. So here's b, squaring it, minus 4 times a times c. Multiply out that squaring, take away this bracket, this is 4k. We can then factorize to take out the 4k, so it's 4k bracket 16k minus 1 is 0, so k is 0, so k is a 16th. Now we're told that k is a non-zero constant, so that's not a solution. K is a 16th is our solution. Now for part C, we've got to find the value of k. For this value of k, solve the simultaneous equation. So we might as well just focus in on this part from A, x squared plus 8kx plus k equals 0, substituting in a 16th. Doing so, this just gives us an equation involving x which we can solve. So we get this, let's get rid of all the fractions, let's multiply by 16. We can then factorize this. So and then we get our pair of brackets is 4x plus 1 and 4x plus 1. We knew it would be a repeated solution. So x must be minus a quarter. How do we work out y? We will substitute into an equation of our choice. 1 is the easiest. In fact, 3 is the easiest. Y equals 1 minus 2x. So substitute in the fact that we've just worked out that x is minus a quarter. We get this, gather it all up, and we get y is 1.5 or 3/2.